So Wowie has challenged me to this ice bucket challenge. I didn't think I was going to be called out, but now I am. And I guess I am responding. A lot of water. Oh shoot.
Rolfie was like, okay.
Oh, it's cold.
Oh,
Really,
sorry.
now that I've done that,
Oh.
I challenge VJ, Eugene, and Melanie to partake or donate. I'll probably be donating as well. Thanks. Oh, it's cold. That looked really cold.